If your vehicle will not start, there are a number of simple checks you can perform to determine the problem. Before making these checks, be sure you have sufficient fuel and that you have followed the correct starting procedure as outlined in your owner's manual. If your vehicle is equipped with the engine immobilizer system, see if any of your other keys will start the vehicle. If your vehicle starts, you may need to replace a key. If none of the keys work, there may be a problem with the engine immobilizer. If the engine is not turning over or is turning over too slowly, check to see if the battery terminals are tight and clean. If the battery terminals are okay, switch on the interior light. If the light does not come on, is dim, or goes out when the starter is cranked, the battery is discharged, and you may try jump-starting your vehicle. If the interior light is okay, but the engine still will not start, contact your Toyota dealer for assistance.